We're currently working with NBC Direct, which is their service that allows people to download full-length, high-res versions of TV shows for free, and you can take them and you can play them offline. But we're working with NBC on deploying our technology across other areas of NBC, and I can't tell you about the details, but keep an eye out in the next few months to see Pando technology delivering more and more video across other parts of NBC. And we're also, by the way, in trials. We do video on demand. We're also in trials with major broadcasters on video streaming and live event P2P. So this is a new area. We have one client, one engine that enables video on demand as well as streaming as well as live event. So that's pretty unique. So we're continuing to work in the media space, but as you may know, working with large media companies in this environment is a long haul process, and we're committed to it. But what we have found is our technology is incredibly relevant, easy to deploy, and has really quick impact on the game delivery market. So we haven't shared this with a lot of people, but in the last few months we've signed up a dozen game companies and some really big names, and we're downloading lots of video games that are 1 gig, 2 gig, 3 gig, some of them are even 6 gigs in size. And what we're finding, which is really exciting, is that we can quickly deploy this technology and quickly, dramatically increase the completion rates of the game delivery. So if you're delivering 1 gig game with our service, we'll probably bump your completion rate by 15 or 20% over your normal completion rate if you're just doing a normal HTTP download. Some of the early companies we've worked with, Nexon, it's a large Korean online game company, big game MapleStory. So we do their deliveries, and we work with a company called Acclaim, which has several titles. Recently came out with a new title called Spellborn. And we've been doing some work with Turbine. Turbine is a company that does Lord of the Rings and Dungeons and Dragons. And what's really exciting is that all of these companies are not only leaders in their space, but they're also leaders in the delivery space. And we've been able to work with them and improve their completion rates, their delivery speed, and lower their cost. So it's a terrific space for us. We're very excited about it. We're in trials with a lot of other game companies. And I think this is a space that our technology is just very quickly impactful, and people can see the results. Both the consumers get better, faster downloads, and the companies get higher completion rates and lower delivery costs. So we're really excited about it.